That's it. Now we have our wormer right here. And we're just not making a big deal of it. You see me not looking for a fight. My body doesn't get all tense and tight. There we go, big release. There we go. So you always want to check it. Right here on your wormers, you're usually going to have for the weight of the horse. So she is going to be about 1,000 pounds. Perfect. Notice how very similar to doing an obstacle, very similar to clipping. We don't even make it about the obstacle or about clipping. If they give us a hard time, we just keep the pressure on them until they give us what we want. In this case, it's just her opening her mouth